going on TikTok. It's been a little while. It's going to be real cold this weekend. It's Tuesday now, Tuesday night. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're going to be real cold here in New York. Wind chills down in the -10s, and I think it's going to get even colder than that. So I got to go feed up the cows, and I'm going to put a little bedding out. There's a little hill out there I'll show you. We're going to put some bedding down there. It'll act as a windbreak for them for this real cold weather. I got a bunch of old first cutting, second cutting hay. It's a couple years old. Gonna grab a couple of them and we'll put that down. And there's a little bit of feed left in the wagon that's no good, so we'll put that down too. So I'll go grab that. I got some water filling up for them. Just goes out to the hose. And there's a pipe that runs all the way down and out to a water tub, and it's all gravity fed, so it never freezes up. And I got the hose set up the same way so it doesn't, it's at a high spot in the middle so it can't freeze solid on me. See if we can't figure out how we're gonna bring those back up. Still got quite a bit of hay up here, but it's all pretty old. But we'll feed it out or use it for bedding. 4 bales up there. As much as I hate no equipment, this tractor is pretty nice. It's nice to be in a little bit of heat, good light when it's 6 o'clock dark and 10 degrees out. See if we can't lose any of them going up to the field. Here's our windbreak. It's just a little hill. We've already fed over here, so I'll put some bedding down and then we'll feed kind of where the tractor is, and that should give them some pretty good cover for this cold spell. This hay right here, it's just stocky. It's not that good, but it'll make good bedding. We'll shake them out, give them a nice pad, and I'll show you what the pad looks like when it's all done. The wagon's good and clean enough. Then we got this. Guess there was some more in there than I thought. Get that spread out, put those out, and they'll have a nice spot to lay down. Nice and spread out. It's not the prettiest, but should give them some kind of protection. And we'll go fill this up now. Normally I feed a little bit of dry hay under those tarps, but with the cold weather, the baleage will give them a little bit of extra energy. They're not really eating the dry hay, so we might just end up saving it till we get closer to spring and they really don't need as much energy or protein. These 2 bales should last about a week, maybe a little more, but it works good. I only got a couple cows, so the less labor I got to do, the better. If I don't have to feed every day, I'd rather not. The wintertime baleage is just fine to be sitting out there for a week. It's not going to go bad in this cold weather. Ideally, I'd be rolling stuff on the ground, but like I said, unless I'm going to roll a quarter a bale out a day, it's just not really worth it. It's a lot of time. If I could do 1 bale a day, yeah, I probably would be doing it, but it's just not for me right now. Well, here come the girls. Got their bedding back there. They're going to be real happy to get some baleage. Going right to town. But hopefully they pick at some of that bedding, and I know they'll put a good hurting on the baleage. So I guess that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.